Bhalig na slúte go dúra cholam cile an teachtain siachata agus immerthirí ó anachhuidáit na Harlar crunne le chéile de Chluichí Domhain Cumulú Clascuil ortha ag FRS Recruitment.
Fáil do roibh go léir a carda go dtíre nachtas lá mór, ihe mór, seachtain mór ceilúra de gach duine atá bail de Cumulú Clascuil ar fúdan down. I am now standing between you and one hell of a party. So, have a great week, and I now formally declare the World Games open in Derry in 2023. Goramila Mahagra.
Tá fós sa cammógaíocht go hidirnáisiúnta feicithe ag uachtarán an cumann cammógaíochta Hilda Breslin, fós atá le feiscint in Chluichí na Man trí chéile.
I've travelled over the world for camogie, and you see this in other countries, but to have it in own bag and in Derry this week, it's just spectacular. The number of countries that travel and the girls and the lads that all travel here. So this year is the largest number of camogie clubs that we have in the World Games, and now what we see is with the growth in women's sports, camogie has caught up, and particularly when you go to the likes of Canada, North America, they just seem to love camogie.
Sa craobh cammógaíochta idirnáisiúnta, bhí an lámhan uachtar ag iardheisceart na Stáit Aontaithe ar Virginia, agus bhí Danielle Lanfer thar bheith sásta leis an taspántas.
11 people from Atlanta, one person from Knoxville, and one person from Charlotte, and we came together today, and like the 11 from Atlanta have been playing together for a lot of us for 10 years, some of us for 5+ years. The memories here, this experience, I mean, I hope we get to come back, but this was amazing, so just happy to be here.
Bhí luachar an Domhain ar Nana Kim ó Seoul chun pell na mana aimsú mar rogha sport de bhaná san áis.
When I started Gaelic football in Korea at the time, it wasn't that many options for women's sports, but I found that one leaflet about the Seoul girls, so I just joined it. But since I joined the first training, I fell in love with the Gaelic football because everyone was so kind. I really want to, feel like team spirit and then never want to give up anything. But if you're on the pitch, like you can be aggressive or you can be mean or sometimes you can be angry. But off the pitch, you can just be a friend again, and it's just like a family. So I really like being like Gaelic football player.
Tugan na Chluichí idirnáisiúnta Domhain deis dimreoirí idirnáisiúnta agus dimreoirí de lucht na hÉireann, teach le chéile agus pobal sportúil Cumulú Clascuil a aimsú Harlar. Gné a aithnín uachtarán Fell na Man Micheál Naughton.
This is a huge week for the LGFA and for everybody involved. It's about people leaving their homeland, going to a foreign shore and having somebody to be part of. And being part of the GAA family is something very special and something very important.
Níor thosaigh Eilís na Chasadha ó Loch Nail ag imirt pelle go dtí gur bhog sí Harlar. Bhíonn sí céiliúra a mua le hastráise go na Parnells i gréibh na Man oscailta.
Ní imreoir pelle mé de gra, hasí mé ar thuí mé on na New Zealand. So tá sé eise le bheith arás an seo an eise agus daoine ag arcórm agus maril orthu. It's like, tusa ag imirt pelle cin fá. Bhí sé special ar fad agus ní neathí muid dearmad ar seo go John na Ndoire, seo é Craol Donda. So tá mé anbrodal as an bun atá hartar má bhainneáil seo aniu, seo é an cian is truma a siadam de bhain mé Rio, so tá mé fíorsas agus inta brodal.
Dad's from Kilkenny, Castlecomer in Kilkenny, and he's how I started playing. When I was born, he was still playing in New York, so plenty of hurls and slitters around the house. So I got into it from a young age.
Bhí James Breen Lornach in buan nua áireamh sa craobh ammánaíochta idirnáisiúnta. Cúil den Scott go na Pierce Óg a San Francisco.
A lot of us were at the All-Ireland final Sunday. Unfortunately, it didn't work out for Kilkenny. And then the finals today. It's fantastic here in Celtic Park, and Owen Begg was unbelievable as well.
Cabhairigh cúpla cúil luach ó Corey Quinn ón Dún agus Adam Neely ó Ghlunaingall le bua na Australaise a gcuine meán iarthar sa craobh oscailta. Na Chluichí Domhain mar imeacht pásanta agus táchtach go cinnte dúachtarán an Cumulú Clascuil Larry McCarthy, chéadúachtarán Harlar.
It shows the representation of 450 clubs from off the island of Ireland, all coming together and having a wonderful festival of Gaelic games, and the atmosphere that a lot of the foreign teams create is absolutely magnificent. The French in particular, the Argentinians, for instance, they're singing, they're dancing, and win, lose or draw, they're always in a good humour. And I mean, the fun that they have and the fun that they've had throughout the week, we could learn a lot from it.